we'll guide you through how to import bookmarks in Brave browser. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, make sure Brave is installed on your computer and ready to use. Open the Brave browser and click the menu icon, also known as the hamburger icon, in the top right corner. Hover your cursor over bookmarks and lists to reveal additional options. From the submenu, select Import Bookmarks and Settings. Wait for the import window to appear completely before continuing. Once the window opens, click the Source Browser drop-down menu to choose where your bookmarks will come from. Select a supported browser, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, if you want to import directly from another browser installed on your computer. Alternatively, choose Bookmarks HTML file if your bookmarks are saved in an exported file. After selecting the source, enable the Favorites/Bookmarks option so bookmark data will be included in the import process. If you only want bookmarks, disable any other available data types to avoid importing unnecessary information. Once your selections are ready, click Import to proceed. If you selected the HTML file option, browse your computer for the appropriate bookmark file and select it. Then click Open to begin the import process. Wait patiently while Brave imports the bookmark information into your profile. The required time may vary depending on how many bookmarks are being transferred. After the import process finishes, review the confirmation message displayed by Brave to ensure the operation completed successfully. If needed, enable the Show Bookmarks bar option so your imported bookmarks are easier to access from the top of the browser window. This step is especially helpful if the bookmarks bar is currently hidden. Once the bookmarks bar setting has been adjusted, click Done to close the import window and return to normal browsing. Finally, examine the bookmarks bar and the imported bookmarks appear correctly and are organized as expected. You can click on Bookmarks to confirm that they open the correct websites without any issues.